Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save photo on Twitter. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. X, formerly known as Twitter, now make it very easy to download image from tweets on every platform. And in this video, I will show you how to do it if you want to save or download picture image from Twitter. So first of all, of course, I have to open our Twitter. Now you can just choose on the photo that you want to download. For the example, I want to download this. You can open the picture. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on save. So the photo will be automatically downloaded, saved to your gallery. It's a simple, right? Let's check it to our gallery. So here's the photo. It's a simple, right? So that is how to save picture on Twitter. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.